Alexa, read my to-do list.
You have one item on your to-do list. Hey Siri, read my reminders.
I found only one reminder. Okay Google, what's on my calendar?
There's one entry today. You have an all-day event call. Alexa, read my to-do list.
You have one item on your to-do list. Hey Siri, read my reminders.
I found only one reminder. Okay Google, what's on my calendar?
There's one entry today.
In case you didn't catch it, that was a fun voice assistant loop. If you're interested, I'll link up a video on how to set that up. In this video, I'm going to give you a short version of how to program your own Alexa skill.
I have skills that can help you do lots of things, like play a game, relax with sleep sounds, find your favorite podcast, and much more. You can find
Thank you,
thousands of
Alexa.
skills in your Alexa app.
Be quiet.
Here are a few to get you started.
I chose Alexa because it's an enormous development market. It's really matured over the others. And so you can find a bunch of voice assistant apps already built. You can build on your own and Lambda functions. So let's go in. It's going to be 3 steps on building your own Alexa skill. So let's take you through them. Let me start by saying that I got the tips and tricks from this course, Amazon Alexa Development 101. It's a really good, thorough 1.5 hour course that really helps you get started. And in this video, I'm just going to shorten that down to a few minutes just to show you how easy it is. I'm not going to go into great detail, but I will link up this video and you can go into much more detail if you're interested. The purpose of this video is just to get you interested in creating your own Alexa skills. Before I watched this, I thought it was much more difficult than what it really is. So if you're familiar with programming, you'll have a lot of fun with this because voice assistants are very, very powerful. Let me show you, there's only 3 steps that you need to follow in order to get Alexa skill going. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to developer.amazon.com/Alexa, and you do need an account for this. It is free. Once you get an account created, go over to create Alexa skills and then start a skill. I already have one created, I'll show you, but in your case you're going to create a skill. To help you get started, if you go to github.com/Alexa, you'll find some skills already been built, and we're going to use the Skill-sample-nodejs-fact. So let's open that one up and then go into models and choose the language. So we're going to do en-US.json, and then we'll pick out raw, and then we're just going to copy and paste all of this. And then head back over to the developer console. And inside the developer console, we're going to go to JSON editor. This is where you're going to copy and paste your JSON. So that's the first step. Let's go ahead and save this first, save model. Then you're going to want to build model. Okay, so now you're done with the first step. Now the second step is going to be the Lambda backend. You're going to want to go over here to Endpoint, and we're going to point it to the backend Lambda. So we're going to get the ARN, so let's go ahead and build that. So if you go over to en-US.amazon.com, you're also going to need an account here. They do offer some free credits to get you started. So if you're just doing this for personal use, it's not really going to cost anything. It's more if you're going to heavy load for business use. So we're going to go over to AWS Serverless Application Repository, and then let's just go ahead and search for Alexa here. And we'll scroll down and we're going to use alexa-skills-kit-nodejs-factskill. And we're going to go ahead and say deploy. Okay, now it's being deployed, and you'll see over here the status, and you should get complete. Okay, after that's been deployed, let's reset, go back over to functions, then over into function, click on your function here, and now you're going to have this ARN. So we're going to grab this ARN. Head back over to your endpoint and paste it in here in the AWS Lambda, and then go ahead and save endpoint. Now that we've done the first 2 steps, we created the front-end UI with the developer JSON builder, then we deployed the Lambda function, and now the third step was we're going to go ahead and test. Now you can do it directly inside the developer, or if you have an Alexa, you can test it out there. Read a space fact.
The first person to reach space and the first person to be in orbit was Yuri Gagarin.
I didn't know that. Just to test it out, another tip that you can do is customize it. So we're going to go ahead and customize the Lambda function. So head back over to the Lambda function here, If in case you needed to get back there, go back to AWS Lambda, then functions, open your function, okay, and then scroll down. Now, what we're gonna do is go down here to line 81, where it says here's fact. We're gonna insert one of our own words, come up here to save, and let's test that one out. Alexa, open a space fact.
Hi knowledge mavens, here's your fact. Venus rotates counterclockwise, possibly because of a collision in the past with an asteroid.
Who knew? That's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you head on over to the AWS Skills Development 101. Give them a thumbs up. This video was hopefully just to give you a short summary of how easy it is to create your own functions. It's not intimidating, and if you're a developer, you'll have lots of fun. See you in the next video.